Alright guys, so here it is, my new monitor. It's a BenQ EX3501R, and it is a 35-inch curved at an 1800R curvature monitor. So I'm just going to show you guys the unboxing right now. This was a warehouse deal, and the reason apparently is that the box was damaged, but they say that the monitor is in perfect condition. So let's take a look and see what we actually get for that classification. And if you're wondering, there's the sticker on the front there. Amazon inspected, warehouse deals. This is a 35-inch 100 hertz monitor, and I'm honestly really excited to unbox this and take a look. One of the features of this monitor is that it comes fully assembled right in the box, so we're going to find out right now. So we do get a DisplayPort cable. We also get an HDMI cable still in the package, a cable cover for the back of the monitor, USB Type-C cable, so that's very nice. This monitor does have a USB-C connection on the back. Over here we've got our power adapter. Alright, so inside the box there appears to be just a foam that I need to lift up. I'll go over the deal I got in just a moment. Alright, we're just going to get this out of the way and then we'll unwrap the monitor. So looking at the box, again they said the box was damaged. I see this little hole which did not pierce through. There's obviously some light damage on the end here and some scratching on the top, but overall I don't see any reason that this monitor was discounted. All right, 1, 2, 3, boom. Yeah, so it does look confirmed now that this monitor was never touched before by a consumer. So there is a pass-through hole here for your cables, and it does have a pretty healthy variety of ports, so we'll get into that in the review, of course. This part of the stand, the stand is actually, this is plastic, and this is a metallic plastic here, but metallic on the actual legs of the stand. It's a very exciting day for me. I've been wanting to get a widescreen 3440 by 1440 for quite a while now, and this monitor normally sells in Canada for $899, which is one of the more affordable, if you can believe it, ultra wides in this resolution with 100 hertz refresh rate. So this would compete with not quite the Predators and the Asus Strix models, but it's definitely large at 35 inches, where some of those come in at 34 inches, and it's a premium feeling and appearing monitor, which you guys are going to see in just a moment. So regular price $899. I was able to pick this up on Amazon for a special price, given that it was a warehouse deal, and the price I paid was $749, which represents again a pretty substantial reduction in cost. So there it is. Let's go in for a closer look. So there she be. And of course, it's quite cold outside, so I'm not going to hook it up for probably another 20 or 30 minutes. Again, this is just a teaser. Full review will be coming. I just need a chance to take some time and use this monitor before I do the review. And now down at the bottom here, there's a sensor which adjusts your screen brightness automatically depending on how bright the room you're in is. definitely something like this is something I'm interested in. I think it's a nice feature. Now, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the bezel on this thing is very, very small. Very, very small. And again, I'll give you the full specs in the review, but untouched, the sensor still has its protective plastic on it. Everything looks good. And then we're gonna come back in a little while, a couple days, week maybe, and I'll do a full review on it, at least to my limited skill set. I don't have a lot of experience reviewing monitors, but from the perspective of an average user, I'll give you guys that review. I will add one thing, and I'll say it again in the review before I go. This monitor can be VESA mounted, VESA, not sure. Different people pronounce it different ways. VESA mounted. It does require a special transfer kit, and for a long time it was unavailable, and it looked like BenQ had discontinued it. I did reach out to BenQ, and they confirmed to me that more of these transfer brackets are coming. They're saying possibly later in February and definitely in March. So definitely more of those brackets coming in March, and that is something that for myself is important. The stand is beautiful, and I probably would keep it if it goes high enough. But some of the critiques on this monitor are that the monitor height is not high enough for some people, and I do like that clean look of wall mounting a monitor as well. So that's something I will keep in consideration when I do my review, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on that. But that's going to conclude this video. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and for subscribing, watching my videos, and all your support. I'll be back in a little while with this review, as well as, of course, more content. And there's some big things coming to McPato PC in the very near future. You're not going to want to miss that. Thank you guys. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.